What up, everybody? It's another day. It's pretty hot out there too. Man, it's hot. So I got a little fan down here, so it keep me a little bit of cool. But it's even getting humid down here. But I just came from the online auction place I usually go when I pick up my stuff, and I won a couple things yesterday and and the day before yesterday. So let me go ahead and turn you guys around and let me show you what I got. What do we have here? We have an electronic slot. We got a couple of DVD players, and all of these were in one lot, and I paid $8.37 for all of these. So the good thing about it, I could sell one and get my money back. I was not expecting to actually get these. I actually thought somebody was gonna bid over me and I was just gonna let them go, but I ended up winning them. So this would be fun. This is what this is, and I would get these listed, and it's on to the next. And right here we have a Donner DAG 1C acoustic 6-string guitar. This is pretty much like new. I purchased this for $102.82. I see on eBay these selling between like $150, $199. But let me see. We'll see how it goes. And I have to find a box to even put this in. I might have to create one. I'm probably see if I'm probably Guitar Center or something like Sam Ash may have some guitar boxes they don't want. But other than that, I'll probably be making one, because I seen like buying just one of them is about $22, and if I had to pay that for one box, I'm gonna have to charge even more for this. So I'll figure something out. So that was all. That was it. Just those two things. So I'm gonna get the list of these and finally get these CDs together that I've got sitting around on the floor. But till then, y'all, catch you guys later. Peace. And learn from mistakes.
What up, y'all? Another day. Man, I haven't really been doing too many videos, but I've been a little busy, and at the same time, you know, I don't know, it's just, I guess the discipline wasn't there for it also, but it is what it is. I keep grinding as much as I can. But anyways, I'm just coming from a sale that was on offer up. It was for the Kodak. It was a projector, like an old projector I got from not Walmart, but in the Goodwill. I forgot how much I paid for it. I want to say about $10, but I had it listed up there for $50, and I just met the lady now, and she was just very excited about it. But I listed for $50. She just gave me $60. She said she didn't have change, so you just take $60. I'm like, oh, well, okay. Because, I mean, I'm not giving nobody change, like, especially off of doing something like that. But, that was pretty much it for that. But I had a few other sales in the past few days that probably, I'll just put the picture up of each one that I haven't recorded of. But it haven't really been much going on, so I'm still kind of like waiting a little drought of sales. So hopefully things start picking back up soon. But at the same time, I haven't really been listing a lot like I was. But at the same time, I ain't got that much stuff left. And by me not having that much stuff left, I'm like at a limit of me listing, because of the money coming back in, so I can reinvest with it. But I'm gonna just keep on working. I mean, I'm getting little sales here and there. Actually, I got 2 sales yesterday. Now that I'm thinking about it, but I'm driving right now. I forgot exactly what the stuff was, but I will show y'all a picture of it and how much it sold for. But that was 2 from last night that I'm gonna ship off tomorrow morning. And so far that's about it. But like I said, I'll just keep moving and doing what I can. But till then, I'm gonna holler at you guys soon, and be cool. Stay tuned for life, learn from mistakes. be alright. Alright, y'all.